Japan's lower house of parliament on Tuesday approved a record 114.38 trillion yen budget for fiscal year 2023. A record 36.89 trillion yen, the largest amount ever, has been included in the budget for ballooning social security costs in a bid to deal with Japan's rapidly aging population. The government's budget also includes 6.82 trillion yuan in defense spending, which has triggered protests and condemnation in the country. On Tuesday, protesters rallied in front of the lower house of parliament to protest against the record defense spending. Opposition party lawmakers have quizzed the Japanese prime minister and leader of the ruling Liberal Democratic Party, Fumio Kishida, to explain exactly why the pacifist nation needs to drastically build up its defenses and pay for it by hiking taxes. The Democratic Party for the People has removed the support it had previously shown for the government's fiscal year 2022 budget, saying it is now opposed to plans to raise defense spending and hike taxes to fund it.